Hello YouTube, this is Wind5387 here with another vintage Mac to add to my collection. This is a 1993 Macintosh Performa 476, and with this Performa came many things such as the original Apple Keyboard 2 and the Apple Desktop Bus Mouse 2, a 14-inch Apple Performa display, and also the original box with the Macintosh Essentials box right next to it, and with it came this little modem. This is a cable for the external DVD player that came with this computer, Kensington trackball, the manual for the Kensington trackball, and inside this box came what looks like the original packaging of the computer. And there is the external DVD player. And also came a working computer. The only problem with this display really is that the switch does not stay pushed in, so it doesn't stay on. So the previous owner was kind enough to give me this little tab to put between the frame and the button. So I'm going to turn this thing around to see the ports on this computer. So the ports we have on our Performa 476, an audio in port, audio out port, one ADB port, a DB25 SCSI port. I believe this is a modem port for what might have been internet at the time, a fax and modem printer port, a DB15 display connector, the power cable, and the power button. And on the back of our display we have the video in port and the power cable and Apple Performa display. So I'm going to boot up our Performa 476. And here we go. Here goes the startup chime of that time. And welcome to Macintosh Startup Splash, I believe what it's called. And now it should be loading up all of its little extensions at the bottom of the puzzle pieces. I have noticed every time I start this thing up while I was loading the extensions, it says that it was turned off incorrectly the last time it was used, but that doesn't really affect anything. And it also says that it cannot locate a teleport serial modem. Make sure that your modem is connected properly and blah blah blah. So, let me go up here to see about this Macintosh. See, it is running system software 7.5, and the total memory is 36,864 kilobytes. And Apple Computer Inc. 1983 to 1994. And this computer's processor is a 25 MHz Motorola 68040 processor, and it has a 230 megabyte hard drive. Let's see our applications in our computer. So we have Chooser, Simple Text, Quicken 6, America Online, ClarisWorks, Exchange Files, Apple Backup, Scrapbook, Auto Cache Install, and a couple other folders such as Tools, Control Panels, Fonts, System Support, some of the good stuff. And I guess we'll take a look at the Apple menu items. I guess we can look at this jigsaw puzzle. the United States, or the, not the United States, the world. So you see a very simple puzzle here. If we could just, there it goes. This is the easy puzzle. So that wasn't too bad. And we also have America Online. Let's see what that is. I haven't yet. Oh. No. Not enough memory. Doesn't have enough memory to open up the application. So, I guess we could look at a couple other simple applications like the calculator. It knows its math. Well, there's not much to look at in System 7.5 that people might be interested, but hopefully you enjoyed this Macintosh Performa 476 1993 in perfect working condition. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.